What's up everyone? Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Before we begin, make sure to hit the like and subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon. We're posting 4 videos every day, so make sure to check back every single day. We've just hit 20k subscribers, so thank you all so much. Let's get to 30k and get a deal in the description if you haven't already. Plenty of free crypto and goodies down there. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. What's up guys, so just before we begin, make sure to hit the subscribe and the bell icon. People aren't seeing our content and this is probably because you haven't hit the bell icon. Thank you again for all your support. The algorithm is slamming a lot of content creators right now, so we really appreciate all your support. And we're so proud of the amazing community that we built, so make sure to jump into the Telegram and the free Discord. So we're just taking a quick look at NEAR here, and as we can see, it's looking really good on this macro time frame, isn't it? On the daily here, you can see basically since November, when we're around 50 cents, we had this massive run up all the way up to around $7 or $8, big correction down to around $1.50 here, and then making those macro higher highs and higher lows, aren't we? Higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and now coming up and making another high, getting stuck under that 161 for now, but essentially looking really strong, isn't it? And you can see just how much demand that there actually is for NEAR, especially with the market sentiment currently as it is. With a particularly bearish feel in the market, extreme fear in the market, and we're seeing a lot of these alternate smart contract platforms having their day recently. We've obviously seen NEAR start to have a pump basically over the past few months, looking really good. It was down at around $6 now, up at around almost $20, which is really interesting to see. Obviously, we're starting to see the same thing for Harmony and Phantom as well. We've already seen the same thing for Solana and Avalanche, so it seems as though 2022 could be the year of the alternate smart contract platforms yet again. But just some of the different ones, like as we said, Harmony, NEAR and Phantom are the three that we would say looking really strong. Elrond is still retracing, but we do think Elrond could potentially have a big renaissance soon and have a big move to the upside basically. But you can see here on the daily time frame here that it's pretty clear that NEAR is doing exceptionally well. We come down here, we've obviously pulled our fib from this high to this low, but you can see how well all these levels have been respected. We ran pretty much all the way up to the 127 here, sorry. Came back and retested the previous all-time high support back to the 127, just forming a little range here, weren't we? In between the 127 and that previous all-time high. We come down for one last push to the downside, and then we get that big reversal off the bottom there. We come up, we basically consolidate in and around the 141 there, and because we've been so bullish, we ran all the way to the 161 at around, what was this? At around that $20 mark, basically looking really strong. Obviously getting a little bit of a rejection here, which is entirely possible and probably likely the first time that we test this area in our opinion. So NEAR, it's probably gonna have a little retracement, back down towards $14, $15 potentially like this, and then get the bounce to the upside. But we say overall, NEAR, it's looking exceptionally good in these market conditions, isn't it? Performing really well. And if we take a look at the hourly time frame, you can see exactly how well all these levels have been respected of the fibs. It's resistance at the 127, come back down, retest the previous all-time highs, support, resistance one more time, we come down, we have a marginal retracement into this range, and then you can see here we run all the way up to the 127, to the 141, sorry. Consolidate in and around it for a while, and then we ran all the way to the 161 here, looking really bullish, aren't we? So we'll do short-term price predictions and keep things really short and sweet. You can see here, obviously, if we roll over, we'll probably head back down towards the 141 for a retest at around $14 to $15. Or if we're looking super bullish, we could even get a retest at around $17 here and then get a bounce like this. But to be honest, if we rip to the upside, we're probably going to be heading through the 161 here, in our opinion, at $20. Obviously, that's a big psychological resistance as well. So we might be stuck under this for a little while here. But if we did break this, obviously our next target would be up towards $25, the next psychological target in our opinion. And we do have a really nice 227 extension at around, what was it, $55, $56, which would obviously be absolutely crazy to see. So I'd like to thank everyone so much for their support. If you've got any questions or suggestions, please leave them down below, and don't forget to subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon, to stay up to date with 4 videos we post every single day. Remember, if you want to support the channel more directly and get a ton of benefits and insight, as well as joining our growing community, consider the Patreon or YouTube membership down below. There are 3 tiers giving you access to our private Discord. Crypto support is available if you just want to help us out a small amount. Crypto Maximalist is our main tier, which gives you access to detailed daily technical analysis and signals, weekly and monthly coin calls, and insights into our personal moves, while Maximalist Gold takes it a step further, giving you an insight into our personal portfolio tracker, super low cap gem research, and a 100x portfolio we're constructing and updating, and access to us personally as a resource to discuss your portfolio via Messenger. Make sure to check it out. You can also sign up to our free Telegram and public Discord via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto, so go check them all out below. There's plenty of goodness on offer. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.